Hey guys, my name's Om, welcome back. And it's competition time! Yay! To celebrate me hitting 10,000 subscribers! I'm launching a title sequence competition. As you know, my title sequence isn't really the best and it needs changing. And I'd love it to be one of yours. Here are the rules to the competition. The title sequence will need to be at least 10 seconds long. It'll need to be HD ratio 1910 by 1080. And it has to have the words Monday tips. Apart from that, it's up to you. You can pick the color, the font, the song, whatever you want. These are some examples I found on the web. They're not mine, but just a quick idea. To enter, you'll either need to upload it to YouTube and send me a link via Twitter or email, or upload it to Instagram with the hashtag Ommelyla. So Ommelyla. That's my full name, guys. And that's it. Just send me a link or tweet me and good luck. The competition is open until the 27th of May, after which I'll be uploading the best ones and you'll get to vote for the winner. Good luck to everyone and I look forward to the entries.